Guys, welcome to Paswan's blog. I am going to make a blog, and today is a holiday, and today I gave the student to leave due to the Saraswati Puja. So now I have a time, at least 1 hour. So I think that I am going to utilize my time making the blog. So you could see Sia is here. Sia. Watch here. What are you doing? Sia is saying to Bua to prepare the kite. Suju is preparing kite. This is the polythene kite for Sia, and Sia wants to play with it. You could see. Yasu is also here. Yasu, what have you taken? What has you taken? Gastu has taken the kite into his hand, and now he is going outside taking the kite, and he's talking with Suju, and you could see he is here now. He's going outside taking the kite into his hand, and Sage also playing with the kite. This is the polythene kite which was made by Suju, and now they are playing with the kite. You could see both are playing, and Agastya is with me. Agastya is with me. Agastya is also watching them flying the kite. They are playing the kite. You could see there is also a cart which belongs to someone, and you could see this lane has been built by our family yesterday. Now you could see this is the newspaper. This is the today's newspaper which I read few minutes ago. Now you could see Suju is studying the newspaper, taking into her hand. So English is situation, whatever situation you have, you should try to speak on that particular situation. You could see they are playing. You could see also there is Ankush. Ankush is playing also. I don't know. He is going to play the marble. You could see Ankush is there. Now I am going on upstairs, and remaining blog I will make there. So let's guys go. Agastya, where are you?
Let's go.
Agastya and me, we are here. You could see Agastya and me here. If Agastya's health is not good, he has fever. Yesterday he got the tika injected into his body, and since that time he has been crying. Okay, but taking the tika, which is very important. And you could see Agastya's mother is here. She is rolling the chapati. You could see she is rolling the chapati. She is going to. You could see she is toasting the bread, and she is rolling the chapati, and now she is toasting the bread. And now I am going on upstairs. You could see my mother is coming. My mother has bathed. Now she is going to get dressed for going to the job. Now my mother is talking with Agastya. You could see Suju is, Mamta has come. Mamta has come taking to Duggu. Duggu, where are you? Come here. Now Duggu has gone inside the room. Hey Duggu, come into the photo. Come into the video. Here is Duggu. You could see Duggu is holding the stick into his hand, and he is watching at the camera. I'm making the blog. So now my mother is about to go to for the working purpose in the factory. Now I am going on upstairs, guys. Agastya is continuously watching at the phone. Now I am going on upstairs. You could see here is the slippers. This is the shoes, and here is also shoes. This is the slipper. Now I am going on upstairs. I am going to watch where is Pius and what the thing he is doing on upstairs. Okay. Don't cry, Agastya. Pius, where are you? And Pius's father is bathing right now. Right now we are on upstairs. You could see this is a flag which we hosted, and we put there. Now we are on upstairs. Agastya is still crying because his health is not good. So I think now I should go downstairs. Okay, so before going downstairs, you could see this is the upstairs room. There, all the clothes are hanging. You could see there is a cloth. This is the clothes which is hanging. This is the pant which is hanging. Shirt is hanging. This is the Puce's jacket which is hanging. And Agastya is okay. Let's go. We are going to downstairs. Before that, going to downstairs, I am going to turn off the light. So now I have turned off the light, and now I am going to turn on the light. So whatever situation you have, you should try to just speak in English. Okay, before going downstairs, I'm gonna tell something here also. You could see this is the bucket which is empty. Now Agastya's father is calling to Agastya, and this is the tub. This is the tub which is filled with the water. You could see here is Magga also, which is floating. Floating means terra, which is floating on the water. And Agastya's father is saying that I am coming as soon as possible because he's bathing. Oh, I would listen. Agastya is coughing right now. He has a cough. Now I am going downstairs. I have made here blog. Remaining blog I will make downstairs. Okay.
What are you doing?
You could see. You could see. You could see. Lady, you should watch. Suju's here.
No, I do not want to your friend.
You do not want to come into the video. It is a family vlog. It is important to make now. Take to Agastya.
No, I'm going to fill the lunch.
Okay, so Agastya's mother, you could see once again she's rolling. She's she's going to roll the chapati once again, and she's twisting the bread into the gas. You could see. And my mother is talking with Mamta. Mamta is my younger sister. She has come from her home and with her kid. You could see. Here is Mamta. She is laughing like a dapper. So now I think it is sufficient. Now I have tired. So thank you guys for watching this blog, and start making a blog. Whatever situation you have, you should try to speak on that particular situation if you could. If you are not able to speak in publicly, then you should try to
Give me.
record the video. After that you could voice over that with the help of the Kind Master. I will also try to do the voice over today with the help of the Kind Master, since 2 days ago Sia's birthday, and I have recorded that and I didn't voice over today. I am thinking to voice over that. After that I will upload my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Yeah, Sia has come. She's saying something. What? Okay, she is saying that Aran has gone to bring the goods from the shop, and Yasu is going. Yasu has gone to take him from the shop. You could see Aryan has come. Aryan is coming, taking the chocolate into his hand. Aryan, where are you going? Aryan is now going inside. You could see Sia has also taken chocolate into her hand, and she's playing with the kite. The kite is into his hand. Aryan is also going outside. They are talking with each other. They are talking with each other. They are going outside. You could see Yasu is here, Yus is there, and Sia is leaning against the gate. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Thank you.